To be king of the forest, you need to be wild. You need to be fierce. And sometimes...
Could you leave a little for me? Because technically it is my food and... just a thought.
You need the doctor.
Don't you know that every female is looking for the strongest male?
Oh, what about personality?
I'm gonna die a virgin.
The strongest male is called the alpha male. Now, the alpha male is the big boss. You have to be him. You have to learn how to walk like the alpha male. And walk the walk.
Walk the walk.
That's right. And talk the alpha male talk.
I'm still on the walk.
It's about pure, unchecked, uncompromised, testosterone-driven male power.
John, didn't I ask you to line the garbage pails?
Hey, you do it your damn self, woman.
What?
Way to go, alpha male.
Shut up.
This summer, the doctor makes house calls.
You haven't had sex in 48 years?
I'm not asking for much. Every 10 years would be fine.
Every 10 years? What am I, a machine?
Eddie Murphy.
I've heard good things about you from some of the Bay Area families.
What are you guys, some kind of mafia or something?
Mafia? No, we don't know nothing about no mafia, do we, boys?
Doesn't ring a bell.
Dr. Dolittle 2.
Would you like a fish?
Oh, no thank you. I've eaten already.
Hey, the beaver offers you a fish. You take the fish.
She was the best he ever had.
5 times a day.
Do you want to try to break that record?
Now,
Just make sure he disappears.
to get her back,
I cannot believe Joe was gonna marry them creep.
Don't worry, the cavalry's here.
he's going all the way. Say It Isn't So is a twisted masterpiece.
We're talking freaky.
Outrageously funny.
You could save some for the honeymoon.
What are you saying, Gilly?
Say It Isn't So.
Show me the monkey! Check that monkey!
Stu Miley is the creator.
The man behind the monkey.
Monkey Bone is his creation. Stu was about to have it all until it all came crashing down.
Hello? My dad?
Now, the monkey he brought to life wants a life of his own.
Whoa, baby!
And he has 24 hours before he loses everything.
The woman I love is living with a whole monkey that looks like me.
Ow!
How was he?
Brendan Fraser,
He's monkey bone!
Chris Kattan, Bridget Fonda, and Whoopi Goldberg in one of the wildest and funniest comedies in years. Monkey Bone, coming to video and DVD.
Tuesdays on Fox. Get your groove on with That 70s Show.
You're way prettier than Bowie.
Well, I'm prettier than you. The Free Love. The Flower Power.
We have finally done it. It looks like a hand giving the finger.
The Good Vibrations.
I'm thinking about getting a job at a chip factory.
I gotta know how they do this.
Get hooked on television's grooviest sensation.
How do they do this?
That 70s Show. Tuesdays on Fox.